In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for and get started with Lovable AI. First, let's dive into the process of creating your very own free account. Head over to Lovable AI's official website where you'll find the option to sign up. All you need to do is provide some basic information like your email and a password of your choice, and you'll be all set up with a new account. Once you've verified your email, usually there's a quick confirmation link sent to your inbox. You can dive into the platform. Now that you've got your account, it's time to explore the free tier features and templates available. The free tier is packed with a variety of tools to help you experiment and get accustomed to the platform's capabilities without any initial investment. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and navigate through the different templates. From chatbots to data analysis models, you have access to a comprehensive suite of tools. By exploring these, you will gain a better understanding of how each can be utilized in creating your custom AI solutions. Once you're comfortable with the layout and tools available, you can begin to create your own AI-powered web app. Lovable AI makes this process straightforward. Use the available tools and templates you just explored to start building. Drag and drop components, customize settings, and experiment with various configurations until you achieve a functional prototype. This is your chance to be creative and use those high-powered AI features to bring your vision to life without spending a penny. While you're working, remember to use your free credits efficiently by focusing primarily on essential features. The free credits are a valuable resource that allows you to test out tools that may require processing power or unique integrations. Keep an eye on your credit usage and prioritize key elements that will make your application run optimally. This ensures you'll get the most out of your free account without encountering any unexpected limitations later on. After you finish building and testing your web app, it's time to get it out into the world. Lovable AI provides free hosting options, allowing you to export or deploy your creation either through their free hosting services or on a local server if you have one available. Launching your app can help you experience not only the development process, but also the deployment aspect, crucial for any aspiring app developer. As you continue to expand your app and its capabilities, you may find the need to upgrade your plan for additional features or credits. Lovable AI offers scalable options to enhance your app's functionality and support more users. Only upgrade when you feel necessary, ensuring that you're making the most out of what's freely available first. Thanks for watching, and happy app building with Lovable AI.